Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to add hair in Roblox using a simple and effective method. First of all, go to the Roblox website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the avatar section from the left sidebar. Now, under the head and body category, click on the hair option. This is where you will see all the hair items you have already collected in the inventory. Choose one hair that you like and simply click on it to equip it to your avatar. Once selected, Roblox will automatically update your avatar preview to show the new hair. Now, choose another hair that you like but don't click on it. Instead, open that hair in a new tab. Next, copy the numeric ID from the URL of that hair. You'll see a long number in the link, just copy that. Now go back to your avatar editor where your first hair is equipped. Scroll down to the advanced option at the bottom of the hair section and click on it. In the advanced setting, you'll see multiple empty slots. Paste the copied hair ID into one of the slots. If you want to add even more hairstyles, just repeat the process. Copy the ID of each hair and paste it into the next empty slots. Once the hair is equipped, wait a few seconds to see your avatar updated with the new style. And that's it. Now you know how to add hair in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.